Have you ever noticed how your wall clock battery always dies at the worst possible moment? Right when you need to leave for work, right before an important meeting, or worse, in the middle of the night when it starts ticking weirdly. What if I told you, you never have to buy a battery for your wall clock again? No more AA batteries, no more last-minute store runs, no more wasted money. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to power your wall clock using a simple USB cable. It's easy, it's cheap, and once you see it working, you'll never look at batteries the same way again. Let's get started. Take the red wire positive from your USB cable. Connect it directly to the positive terminal of the quartz movement. Now here's the clever part. LED light for indication. Connect the lead positive leg to the quartz negative terminal. Then connect the USB cable negative wire, white in this case, but possibly black in yours, to the lead negative leg. What we've just done is create a complete circuit. When you plug this USB into a power source, like a phone charger adapter or a power bank, your clock will receive steady power without any batteries. If everything is connected correctly, you should see the clock hand start moving. And if you added the LED, it should light up, confirming power is flowing through the system. No batteries. If you found this useful, try it yourself, but always be careful while cutting and soldering wires. And here's a question for you. What other everyday devices could we modify to eliminate batteries completely? Because sometimes, the simplest hacks save the most money.